Use cove lighting with crown molding. Cove lighting is functional and it makes a room's ambience more elegant. Cove lighting comes in various forms from rope lighting to string lights that use LED bulbs. The atmospheric feel gives a relaxing feeling and guests will be simply amazed. Installing it is a simple weekend project. Here is how to use cove lighting with crown molding. Carefully remove the crown molding. Use a hammer and a pry bar for this. Work gradually and focus not to damage the walls and ceilings. Run a ledger or backboard strip. Use a 1x 4-inch strip. It will be used in replacing the crown molding. If you desire, utilize a router to make design cues in its bottom. The design must match the crown molding. Ask a craftsman to make the design. An excellent motif creates visual interest, which will highlight that section of your home better. Paint the crown molding again if it needs a new coat. Paint the ledger and the crown molding individually before assembling them to save effort and time. Cut square blocks. Cut them in half diagonally, 1 inch each. Attach them onto the center of the ledger, 2 feet apart. The flat side of the blocks must face the ceiling. These blocks will give an attachment point for the crown molding and keep them in a proper angle. Mark and measure the positions of the corner blocks. Apply wood glue on the corner block's back part. Then, position them beside the ledger strip. Use glue or a nail gun to secure the blocks better with the 2 small-sized nails. One nail must be positioned in 45-degree angle via the perpendicular side, while the other at the angled side. Drill pilot holes into the ledger. Execute this before bringing the ledger inside the house. The holes in the ledger will be the final attachment onto the wall. Mark and measure the areas for the pilot holes before using a power drill. Secure the corner blocks and crown molding's base. Utilize a construction glue to attach them. Set the bottom flush and the molding to the ledger. Nail the materials together. This will provide an area for the cord and lights. It will also add dimension to the crown molding. Attach the ledger. Make a level and straight line using a chalk. It will help you in the attachment process. The bottom edge of the ledger must be along the line. Insert a carbide-tip masonry bit via the pilot holes so you can mark their spots on the walls. Position the lights. They must be placed along the top part of the crown molding. Use screws or small nails to secure the lights. Put them along the edges of the crown molding, and not through the wires. Tuck the plugs or cord backwards. Enjoy the ambience of your new atmospheric Cove lighting. Hire an expert, if needed. Give detailed instruction on the ledger's design and lighting motif to ensure that you'll achieve what you want. The soft glow of Cove lighting will accentuate the architectural details of your home.